This is Hitachi's 18-volt lithium-ion jigsaw, model CJ18DGLP4. Battery and charger sold separately. Hitachi sells this as a tool body only, so that it becomes even more affordable. If you already own a Hitachi tool or kit that comes with an 18-volt lithium-ion slide-type battery and charger, then you can easily add this to your Hitachi platform and get more bang for your buck. This cordless jigsaw is ideal for cutting shapes in various wood materials, cutting metals like mild steel, aluminum, and copper, cutting synthetic resin materials, as well as cutting stainless steel sheets. With a 45-degree cutting angle capacity, you can adjust the base plate to meet the application for more versatility. The tool is compatible with all Hitachi 18-volt lithium-ion slide-type batteries for fade-free power, less weight, and 3 times the total battery life of traditional nighthead batteries. The 18-volt variable speed motor delivers up to 2,400 strokes per minute for plenty of power on pretty much any application. It delivers a 1-inch stroke length and features a 3-mode orbital action along with a straight cut setting to increase cutting efficiency through various materials. Its toolless blade changing system allows the user to quickly and easily change the blades. This cordless jigsaw accepts both T and U shank blades for added convenience and flexibility. A bright LED light is incorporated for visibility in dark or enclosed workspaces. Being only 4 pounds without a battery installed, it is lightweight to prevent user fatigue and make maneuvering the tool much easier. The soft elastomer compound that covers the jigsaw handle absorbs vibration, making it easier on the arm, wrist, and hand. This elastomer coating also prevents slippage and provides maximum control over the tool while cutting. On-tool blade storage that holds up to 6 blades keeps accessories close at hand when you need them.